Now a little bit about earthquake, that Azad Kashmir region that we have made. Initially, we had gone there for relief operations. We did that for the first 2 months, and it is a place called Bogda, and we picked up a complex of villages, about 6, 7 villages, 25 kilometers short of Muzaffarabad. Having done our relief and rescue works, where we gave them tents, we gave them food, tin sheets, we opened our health center straight away over there. But then, when the government started doing the reconstruction work, we thought that we also probably had to stay on there, and that is how we took it up as our eighth region and have started doing many things. And some of the things that we are doing there, I will hurriedly go over them. There was a need for the girls to be in a separate school. This is what the community wanted us to do. There were quite a few schools already existing there, and the girls there was a boys' high school, and the girls had just a middle school over there. And it was a demand from the community that they needed a separate school for the girls because they didn't want their girls to be studying with the boys. So we immediately created this school in one of the structures, temporary structure that you see here. And now then we got a donor from here. In fact, it's Pakistan Association of Greater Seattle, who have given us the money to build a school, and this school is under construction, and hopefully, inshallah, this will be constructed within 2 months from now. And these girls who are already studying there will shift into that building. Then we had another group of people here in US who wanted us to do two things. One was vocational training center that we opened in a huge tent that we had erected there, and we started with some of the skills training which were related with construction work, like plumbing, electrician, and things like that. And subsequently, we also plan to start skill trainings for economic development in these. And now we have already started building a proper place. You can see here. Some structures being made. So we'll have a proper training center made for this work. Same group, Mr. Manzar's group, has also given us the funds to build sanitation kitchen projects. And in this project, we are building one kitchenette, one bathroom, one latrine with proper sanitation, that is septic tank and all that. And we are going to build 100 of these for all those who are making their houses. Just to cater for the nutritional needs of the people over there, there is a Boston-based group led by Mrs. Salasa, who gave us the money to give goats to them. So we picked up 60 households, and where we had smaller children, and we thought that they needed some nutrition help for those kids. So milk-giving goats, very high-quality goats, 2 per household, have been given to them. And the system is like that they'll be returning 2 offsprings out of the 2 goats that we have given them, and those offsprings will be recycled to other people. They'll not pay back the money, but they'll give us back 2 offsprings of those goats. 2 more projects that we are doing related with earthquake are, one is HTF Rawalpindi Medical College Rehabilitation Center. You can see we've got a proper rehabilitation center established in Holy Family Hospital for the earthquake affected people, all those who have been affected, like paraplegics, quadriplegics, and some of those who've got those limbs damaged. Then yet another project that we are doing with SOS Village, and that is for the orphans, all those who lost their parents in the earthquake. In fact, government made a policy, they didn't want people to open orphanages, and they thought that it was only SOS Village, those who will be allowed to do this work. So the only way out for us was to get some kind of partnership with them, and presently we are supporting 150 orphans in 3 of their villages. And this partnership with them is going to go for 2 years.
My question is like, what do you think is the differentiating factor of, between HDF and any other organization that's working in Pakistan?
I think everybody is doing their bit over there. What we are trying to do is to really lay greater emphasis on quality. I don't know whether I should be saying this or not. All those who are doing developmental works are more into numbers. And we really don't go by the numbers. We don't want to have big numbers showing progress and all that. We really want to do it in a manner where we can do it nicely. As it is said, thoda lekin suthra. So we believe in that philosophy, and we are trying to do it with quality.